Today I'm going to teach you how to dance reggaeton at the club. Let's get started. First move, we open with the right leg, 1, 2. Then close and open with the left leg, 3, 4. Got it? Now with the arms, chest, 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 chest. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and boom, boom, boom. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. Next, we open up. We finish here. Open the right leg and do this move. Left, right, and repeat. Double, double. Then again, on 1, on 2, and double, double. Perfect. Let's do it a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, double, double. 1, 2, double, double. Perfect. Now let's combine both steps, okay? So first we do 1, 2, double, and double. 1, 2, double, double. 1, 2, double, double. Got it? Perfect. After that, we're going to do something simple. We walk with the right leg. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Okay? 5, 6. We finish here. Now, walk. Walk with the left and clap. Right foot back. Left, right, and clap. All right? We repeat. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and boom. Perfect. Let's put all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, and side, side, side. Here comes the double. On 1, 2, 3, and 4. Doubles. One walk, another walk, and boom. Perfect. Last step. From here, I'm going to do something simple. I'm going backwards and walking with my right leg. We're doing double, 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 double. Okay? I step. 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. And I'm going to add a lot of chest movement to this. Got it? Now let's repeat all the steps. 5, 6, side, side, side. Here comes the double. On 1, 2, take it. 1, 2, double, double. Forward, forward, boom. Forward, forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. All right. Now let's do the whole thing with music.
5, 6, 7, y boom, boom, pa, y doble y al lado, boom, pa, boom, pa, boom, pa, boom, boom, pa, y
sé que a ti te tengo aprendida.
doble
Sé que a ti te gusta
y
esta
al lado,
vida.
boom, pa,
Superando todo lo que
boom,
hacías.
pa, boom,
Esta
pa.
es mi nueva melodía.